come to Walmart with us is a vegan family of 5. Now this isn't a restock of everything, just a few items that we need in our house right now. So the 2 big kids are on a play date right now, so it's just me and this little tyke going through Walmart. First I grabbed some bananas for our morning smoothies. I don't even know if we need bananas right now, but you can always have extra bananas. Then I got these ciabatta buns. I'm going to be making some veggie burgers tonight. We are out of sweet chili sauce. I just found this one. I've never tried it before. So this is for chicken, but I'm sure it's fine. We got some chickpeas, some white kidney beans, and then, oh, I noticed that I accidentally got the ones with salt. I like the ones with no salt a lot better. And then some black beans as well. These Sweet 16 candies, this is the only place you can get their vegan ones, or at least the only place I found them. They're so good. This is always the cheapest price I can find for violet cheese, so I grabbed 2. And then I'm going to try these Eve baked chicken veggie burgers. I've never tried them before, so I thought we'd give it a go. Base Cell plant butter is on sale right now at Walmart. Making a lot of Mexican food lately, and I really like putting corn in it, so we got some. And then you guys look, Ben & Jerry's has 2 vegan flavors. We have never tried them before, and it's the weekend, so I thought we'd give it a try. I will report back. I'm sure they're going to be a hit. I always stock up on these. These are little chocolate soy milks that I like to have for my kiddos. The vegan KD is here, so obviously we had to grab a box. It's a shame about the plastic, but I find that these apples in a bag are always so much cheaper. I don't know why. We needed a tomato for the veggie burgers. Oh, and there goes the vegan burger. Thank you. Then my son lost a shoe, and a really nice stranger found it, tracked us down, and the baby had some nice giggles for him. Okay, that's everything. Okay, love you. Bye.